Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 29 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something pretty cool here. Happens a lot here in Central California, Zone 9B, where bird droppings or squirrel or what have you, and in your area you might have different plants come up from those droppings. Ours is, or at least for me, is always figs. I didn't plant this fig here. This is came from seed. And there's Lulu looking for more figs. There's another one here. There it is, right there. See him? So if I didn't take care of this, this whole area will be seedlings of figs. Pretty cool stuff. Some people dig them up. You don't know what this is gonna produce, or if ever, or if it will be good. But yeah, now this is good rootstock, I would think, because it's a seedling here. Doesn't mean guaranteed good rootstock, but it might be beneficial to keep, cut from, and graft to. So, really cool things. Happy gardening, everyone.